A very big breaking news from Guwahati, Assam. Guwahati Latasil police has successfully caught an international gold smuggler from Guwahati Kharghuli area. The accused smuggler Akshay Bangshuri from Mumbai. The international smuggler Akshay Bangshuri has reached Guwahati 2 months ago and was attempting to do this smuggling worth 55 crores of rupees and 37 kg pure gold of 24 carat. Guwahati Latasil police has chased the smuggler and caught him from Guwahati Kharghuli area. The international smuggler Akshay Bangshuri has dressed up like a very simple common man. But the Latasil police of Guwahati has seized him and finally they have been caught him red-handed along with 37 kg of pure 24 carat hallmark gold which worth rupees 55 crores. A very big success of Guwahati Latasil police of Assam.
Person arrested was Akshay Bansode. His age is 32 years and he's from Sangli, Maharashtra. So further we are investigating on the whole matter. We have found that this is a part of a large international smuggling racket. Probably it is having links with the Middle Eastern countries, Myanmar and other major cities of India like Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata, Bangalore. We are still investigating the whole thing. So as soon as we'll get more details, we'll share it with you. Thank you.
What was he doing here? Had he any plans of exporting it anywhere in Assam or anywhere in
Right.
India?
So as of now, as per his statement, he has told us that he has been staying here in Assam since past 2 months only. So he was specifically hired for this purpose and he was receiving a salary of around 80,000 per month. Till this time, he has already smuggled the gold 3 times. Around 20 kgs of gold he has already smuggled. And this was his 4th time when he was attempting to do the same. Before that, we got the input and we finally... Right, so yesterday night we had a very huge success under the guidance of our CP sir. We had a very huge success. This was probably the largest gold seizure ever done by Assam police. The total value would be more than 55 crores. And the total gold seized was around 37 kgs. So what happened exactly is we had a prior input, but we were not really sure about the input. We had input regarding some gold which is being smuggled. We were not sure it is fake gold or real gold, but we got really lucky this time actually. I'll say this is very good luck also. So we got a specific input and we were chasing that person since long, and yesterday night we cracked the location. When we went there with our team and we searched, he was a very normal looking person. He was wearing very shattered clothes and he was carrying 2 bags. When we searched him, we found around 38 kgs of gold, pure 24 carat solid gold bars. Along with that, there were some silver nodules and flakes, around 13 grams. There were 4 phones along with him, like 2 iPhones. He had 2 iPhones and 2 normal phones of Samsung and Realme. The person arrested was Akshay Bansode. His age is 32 years and he's from Sangli, Maharashtra. So further we are investigating on the whole matter. We have found that this is a part of a large international smuggling racket. Probably it is having links with the Middle Eastern countries, Myanmar and other major cities of India like Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata, Bangalore. We are still investigating the whole thing. So as soon as we'll get more details, we'll share it with you. Thank you.
बहुत बड़ा सफलता है गुवाहाटी लतासिल पुलिस का, जो अंतरराष्ट्रीय कुख्यात गोल्ड स्मगलर अक्षय बांगशुरी को गुवाहाटी खारघुली एरिया से रेड हैंडेड पकड़ लिया है। अदालत ने कुख्यात अंतरराष्ट्रीय गोल्ड स्मगलर अक्षय बांगशुरी को 3 दिन के लिए पुलिस हिरासत में भेज दिया है। लतासिल पुलिस ने बरामद किया है करीब 38 kg 24 कैरेट का प्योर सॉलिड गोल्ड। लतासिल पुलिस कस्टडी में और पुलिस हिरासत में स्मगलर ने यह भी कबूल किया कि गुवाहाटी से पहले उनका स्मगलिंग बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई, कोलकाता और दिल्ली में भी चल रहा था। In Assam police custody, the accused has accepted that before Guwahati, he was smuggling in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Bangalore. बहुत बड़ा सफलता है असम की गुवाहाटी लतासिल पुलिस का। जुड़े रहिए न्यूज ओशन के साथ एंड बी अपडेटेड ऑल द न्यूज which you need to get to know and stay tuned with न्यूज ओशन। आपको लतासिल पुलिस का ये सक्सेस कैसा लगा? हाउ डू यू फील द सक्सेस ऑफ गुवाहाटी लतासिल पुलिस? मेंशन इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड सब्सक्राइब द न्यूज ओशन। खबर का सिलसिला जारी रहेगा। आपसे फिर मिलेंगे बहुत सारी खबर के साथ। तब तक कुशल रहिए। जय भारत।